Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog starts out making friendship bracelets, and then the performance day crept up so quickly. Here's a little snippet of my performance slash the entire performance. I hope you guys know how much your encouragement and support has helped me through this performance. I couldn't have done it without you guys, without my students, without my friends, without my family. That includes my dance family as well, and of course my mom and her husband and Steve, who came to watch. I was so nervous leading up to this performance. I messed up a little bit at the end, but at least I got through it and I didn't fall. I actually tell you guys the story about the dress rehearsal in a little bit, but basically I belly flopped, landed completely face down, face planted, boots the house down in the middle of the stage during dress rehearsal. So I was really nervous during the performance that I would do it again, but I already passed the moment that I fell. So from here on out, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna give it my all because I think I'm safe. I know I'm safe. I'm confident. I feel good. It was also so nice to have my colleagues and students cheering me on in the side as well as in the audience. I felt so supported, so loved. And once again, I was just so grateful for all of my loved ones, family and friends and supporters all around me. It just was an overall great start to the holidays, if I'm being honest. By the time this vlog has gone out, I will have been on break, or at least I'll be doing one last day of classes before I'm officially on break. So like I said, this snow show was a great way to kick off the start of the holiday season. If you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you would have known already that I changed this section from the gargoyles to pas de chats just because I knew that would look cleaner and be safer on stage, and I'm really happy I changed it because again, it just looks cleaner and I felt safer that way. Also, fun fact, the tutu that I'm currently wearing in this clip is actually my first solo costume, so I really want to wear that because my mom was in the audience and this costume means a lot to me and her, so I was really excited to be able to bring this piece back into my wardrobe in this way. This is my favorite part of this solo completely. You can see there at the end, I completely lost my balance, but that's okay. I landed on my feet. That's the most important thing. The next morning, I went into a town with my friend Amber, a cute little historical town, and we went Christmas shopping. This store had shortbread samples, and they also had the river in the back. We went to a Christmas country gift store, and I saw this gorgeous butterfly ornament, and I almost got it. I also saw this dragon one, and some fairy and ballerina ones. The little mouse ballerina was so cute. I almost got that as well, and I almost got this little crab, but I was really trying to reserve my spending for presents, which is honestly really hard to do when everything is so cute and festive, and I just want to buy everything in all these cute little thrift stores. We stopped for lunch. I got some apple cider and some treats to go, and I also got this delicious red pepper tomato soup with a grilled veggie sandwich. After having a quick lunch break, we went back to shopping, picked up some more gifts for some more loved ones, friends and family, and then we headed home and I had my dessert at home with Steve, and I honestly just chilled for the rest of the afternoon and evening and wrapped presents, and we watched a movie as well. Where's day number 15? Did you have it this morning? Here it is.
The center of the nose, right there. Or not.
Hello and welcome back to VLOGMAS. I think today will be VLOGMAS day 17. I've been a little MIA in terms of actually recording and vlogging, partially because I've been really busy and also because I was actually performing yesterday and also working at the snow show at my work. So that was really fun. I'll tell you a little bit about it. So basically, I was performing the sugarplum at my dance studio and it was really fun. I was really nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because when I rehearsed it on stage during the dress rehearsal, I was doing the first bourrées on the first side. I didn't get it on video because I didn't think to record. And then I did the second side and it was all good. And then I did the little piqués, blah, 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 tombe, pas de bourrée. The second time I did that same sequence, when I returned to the second side, I completely like belly flopped, hands on the floor, tutu up, and I was like, So then I just started like, kicking my feet and I continued. I just did the whole thing. I continued till the end. But that was the only time I practiced it on stage. And I was like, you know what? I don't want to overthink it. So I'm just gonna go get ready, whatever, come back. I did it on stage. I only messed up at the very end. The chaîné turns, I lost like where I was in the room, like completely on stage with all the lights and everything going on. I couldn't tell where I was. So I took like an over chaîné step. I'll insert the clip either before here or now or after to show you guys what I'm talking about. But overall, I didn't fall on the ground. That's the most important thing. I had a lot of fun. The kids had so much fun. Overall, the show was a huge success at the show. Steven and my boss actually gave me flowers as well, which is so sweet. So I'm going to put these in a pot today. But firstly, I want to wrap Steven's presents since he's outside and he's shoveling the back deck because we got a bunch of snow again this weekend. So I'm actually going to wrap the presents first while he's out there and I'll show you guys what I got. So first of all, before I even show you what I got today while we were out shopping, me and my friend Amber went out shopping, got a bunch of Christmas presents and things for me as well. But my mom gave me a new iPhone, so I'm going to unbox this later today or tomorrow or something. She also gave me, she found this Nutcracker snow globe, which is so sweet. Oops, wind it up. I know she gave me some things that she found at Michael's that she thought I would like, and I'm really excited. She told me, but I forget, so this is kind of a surprise to me as much as it is to you right now. Oh my goodness, I just saw the feet. How pretty. So gorgeous. I'm obsessed. She will join my other ballerinas. So pretty. So I'll put her with my other ballerina. I need to cut this one open. I just love the holidays so much. I love the cheer. I was saying that to my friend Amber. We went into town. We drove like about a 45-minute drive into another town just to like check out the shopping because this town is like really historic and cute. We just made the drive because it wasn't that bad out today. It's supposed to start freezing rain, so I'm glad that we went out this morning. And we went to the thrift shop and everything. And I was just saying to her, like, everything's so cheery and festive and cute. See this? I remember this one. I vividly remember this. How pretty! It's literally a stage. How pretty is that? Guys, that is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. Back to gifts that I got for Steven and other people today. Firstly, just as like a stocking stuffer, I'm not gonna go through all the stocking stuffers just because they're like some beard trimmers. Like I got him like a little comb set that has like scissors. I also got him this package of loofahs. I also got this wallet and he has air tags from his birthday this year and it has a little compartment for an air tag, so that's something he needed. And I also got him some work gloves. Today specifically, I'm so excited about this present because this is actually something that we do together as like a date night. We usually get a puzzle. We do the puzzle together and watch a movie. I couldn't resist. Like, look at the dragon. Gringotts Bank. So cool. We both love Harry Potter and we're going to London next year, so I thought this was perfect. I love it. I also got for a family friend some nuts, mixed beer nuts, gingerbread pecans, and gold wine. I also got this tea. I thought it was funny. I got these bath bombs because goldfish, that's cute. And I also got this sugar plum jam since she's a ballerina. So I got all that. So I got all that for some friends that I'm visiting. I also got, me and my friend Amber got these friendship scarves. So she got one. I couldn't decide between these two because this one is giving berries and cream, right? It's giving berries and cream, but I love it. It's also giving fairy core. And I also got this blue scarf. I just thought they're so cute. So I got these two and Amber got like a greeny teal black one. Then finally, Not that I know that I'm getting a record player for Christmas, but I got these 2 records because they were only $5, and I thought, with Wicked coming out, how cool. And also, this is literally me with Luna. So that's everything that I got today. And I'm going to go wrap Steven's presents. I already wrapped his like bigger presents, and a Secret Santa gift that I also got, but I don't want to say what I got on here in case that Secret Santa or their partner watches. So I'm gonna unwrap, and I like unwrapping. Sorry, not unwrap. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak today. I'm also pulling my hair out. I like to wrap on the floor because I can sprawl out, spread out, and relax. I truly don't know how I'm supposed to wrap this. Like, I think I'm just gonna literally wrap it like around in wrapping paper. It's such an awkward shape. Okay, I'll show you guys what it looks like after, I guess. Wait, because guys, I actually did a really good job. Like, are you kidding? This is actually decent. I'm just laughing at myself because I actually slayed this wrapping. That concludes the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas. I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until tomorrow, bye now.